Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are in the general ledger accounting, right? And yesterday we started the accrual reversals, right? So yesterday I explained you the concept of accruals, right? Now we will see how the accrual concept of accounting is taken care in the normal accounting and how the entries are posted in SAP. For example, we are in the fiscal year 2018, right? So we are on 31st July 2018. So as on 31st July 2018, we are preparing the P&L account and balance sheet. So we have incurred rent but not paid. So for that, we have to post an accounting entry, debit rent account, credit outstanding expense account. So debit rent account, credit outstanding expense account. So by virtue of this entry, right, your rent account is automatically updated on 31st July. So if you prepare your P&L account, it will display correct picture of the profit. Now, did you pay rent? No. That's why this outstanding expense account is a liability. So this is displayed on the liability side of the bar. With the help of this entry, you will be able to prepare the correct P&L account and balance sheet. Then on 1/8/2018, we have paid, sorry. So on 1/8/2018, you have paid the above rent. In that case, we debit outstanding expense account and we credit cash account. That's how the accrual concept accounting is taken care in the normal accounting. But in SAP, how the accrual concept of accounting is taken care? On 31st of July means how the entries are posted in SAP. On 31st of July 2018, right? Entry is same. Rent account data to outstanding expense account. Like that, we post all the accrual entries. We post all the accrual entries on 31st of July. Then on 1st August 2018, all the above accrual entries are reversed. This is called accrual reversal, right? Then for actual payment of rent, again we post the fresh entry, debit rent account, credit cash account, right? Of course, we can also post this type of entries in SAP also, which is called clearing of open items. So what is this clearing of open items? We will discuss in accounts payable module. But here we are discussing reversals, right? So this is called accrual reversals, right? Now, how to, right, configure for this type of accrual reversals, right? See, creation of GL master, outstanding expense account as open item management account. So what is open item management? First, let us create the GL account. Then I will explain you what is open item management. So we have to create one GL account, outstanding expense account. So outstanding expense account, I'm taking as part of current liabilities, right? So we have an account group, current liabilities and provisions, and the defined number range is 1,500,000 to 1,599,000. So I'm taking 1,500,000. GL account is equal to 100, 500. Company code SSKV. Go to menu GL account, create. The account group is current liabilities and provisions. Please write against the is equal to marks in the material. The account group is equal to current liabilities and provisions. Select balanced account. Short text is equal to outstanding expense account. Short text is equal to outstanding expense account. GL account long text is also outstanding expense account. Go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Account currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select open item management. So this is the first account we are maintaining open item management. Then select line item display. Sort key 001. Then go to create bank interest tab. Field status group G001. Click on save. So what is this operator management? See, if any GL account is maintained on the operator management, then we can display the items which are pending for payment or the items which are pending for receipt. I told you, open means pending items. Open items means pending items. So the items may be pending either for payment or for receipt, right? So when we select operator management for any GL account, we can display what are the items pending for payment and what are the items pending for receipt in the GL account. We can manage only the balanced accounts on the operator management. Why? See, here, if something is pending to be paid by you, means what? It is your liability. Liability means balance sheet account. Similarly, if something is pending to be received by you, that means it is your asset, right? That's why asset is also balanced account only. That's why the system allows us to select the operator management only for balanced accounts. See, for example, we have the salaries account, 400, 100, right? It is the P&L statement account, right? Now, for this account, I'm selecting operator management. See what happens. It gives the error message. Operator management only allowed for balanced accounts. You cannot change the operator management setting. The data contains error. You cannot see. So, in any case, we can select the operator management only for balanced accounts. Clear? Then, for the GL account, which is managed on the operator management, we display only open items. Means the items which are pending for payment or the items which are pending for receipt. Then, or we can display only cleared items. Cleared items means the items on which the amount was paid or the items on which the amount was received. Or all items. Means in one screen, we can display both open items and cleared items in one screen itself. This I will show you once we post the accrual documents. Then to create a reversal reason. In yesterday's class, I told you, we can create our own reversal reasons. So how to create our own reversal reasons? Let us see. SPRO. Financial accounting or finance accounting. General ledger accounting. Business transactions. Adjustment, posting and reversal. Define reasons for reversal. So the reversal reasons are defined at client level. Right? So write down there. The reversal reasons are defined at client level. The reversal reasons are defined at client level. Now, here, there are some reasons already created in the system, right? See, starting from 01 to 07, these are system defined reversal reasons. Other reasons are created by the other students from other batches. So for each reversal reason, we have to give an identification, right? So we have to select the identification which was not already used, right? For example, 2S is there. Now let us use 2T, right? Just like that, you can select any number which was not already there. Click on new entries. Reason is equal to 2T. Text is equal to reversal for approval. Reversal for approval. SSKV. Just like that, I'm using our company code in the description so that we can remember that we have created this reason. Then select a negative posting. Select alternate posting date. Select alternate posting date. Click on save. So for this reason, we have selected negative posting and alternate posting date. So what is the impact of this, right? Some space is here, no? Please write down. Put heading negative posting. Put heading negative posting. By selecting this checkbox, the system allows the negative postings. The system allows the negative postings with this reason, with this reversal reason, with this reversal reason. Next, put heading alternate posting date. Alternate posting date. It is the date. It is the date on which the reverse document is posted. It is the date on which the reverse document is posted. Alternate posting date means it is the date on which the reverse document is posted. By selecting this checkbox, the system allows the user, to post the reverse document, on a date, other than the posting date of original document. Means what? See here, we are posted one reverse accrual document on 31st of July, right? Now it has to be reversed on 1st August. So this 1st August is called alternate posting date. So when you select this negative post, alternate posting date checkbox, the system will post this reverse document on a date other than the posting date of original document. Clear? So normally we select this checkbox for the accrual reasons. Clear? Click on save. Now, posting of accrual documents. Normally, all these accrual documents are posted on the last day of the month. Transaction code FBS1. When you are preparing monthly financial statements, right? These accrual documents are posted on last day of every month. See, if you notice, the screen is very similar to F-02, except for these two extra fields: reversal reason, reversal date. So document date is 30th/9/2022. Type is SCA. Company code SSKV. Posting date 30th/9/2022. Period 6. Currency INR. Reversal reason 2T. That is what you have created. Reversal reason is equal to 2T within brackets. Own reversal isn't created. Own reversal isn't created. Own reversal isn't created. For accrual reversals. For accrual reversals. Reversal date is 1/10/2022. Reversal date is 1/10/2022. So we are posting one accrual document on 30th September, and this has to be reversed on 1/10/2022. Other things are as usual. Posting key 40. The account is 400, 300. Click on enter. See, it is giving a warning message. Actually, today's date is 13th September, right? But we have given 30th September. That's why it is giving a warning message. Just ignore the warning message. The amount is equal to 10,000. Business area SSKV. Text being rent for September 2022 provided. Posting key 50. The account is 1,500,000 outstanding expense account. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Text plus.
Sir,
Yes.
What is this trading part BA, sir?
Right. It is the consolidation business area.
We
Trading
can
part
give,
is business area.
when creating, we have to give we have to give, sir.
Necessary based upon the reporting requirements you have to give.
Okay, sir.
Text plus. Click on save. Document 29 was posted in the company code SSK. Now, display GL account line items within brackets, outstanding expense account. Display GL account line items, FBL 3L within brackets, outstanding expenses. GL account is 1,500,000. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Open key date 39/2022. Now look at the screen. Here under the status, if you want to display only open items, you select open items. And if you want to display only cleared items, you can select cleared items. And if you want to display all items, you can select all items, right? Here, select to open items. Open key date, right? 30/9/2020. Open key date 30/9/2022. Right down. It is the date. It is the date. on which the status is to be displayed. On which the status is to be displayed. Layout is one SAP. Click on execute. See here, 10,000 is pending for payment. How can you say this is pending for payment? You see the status red color, means open. Open means pending. Okay. Now, if you look at the items in the 2,100,000, right? See the status. 2,100,000 means cash account, right? See the status. Green tick mark means posted. Here, you debit cash account or credit cash account only when you receive or only when you pay. That's why there is no concept of pending in the cash account, right? That's why we don't select work pattern management for cash account. Write down one more point there. Work pattern management is selected work pattern management is selected work pattern management is selected only for the balanced accounts. Only for the balanced accounts where clearing is required. Where clearing is required. Now, you look at the 1,500,000 outstanding expense account. See, this is the open item, right? Right down. When the accrual document is posted, in the GL, the following tables are updated. The following tables are updated. The following tables are updated. BKPF document header table. BKPF document header table. That is number 1, BKPF document header table. Number 2, BSEG document to line item table. Then number 3, BSIS GL account secondary index table. GL account secondary index table for open items. See, SC11, right? BSIS table. See, accounting secondary index for GL accounts within brackets open item. Right? So we have posted some accrual documents. Now they are to be reversed. Reversal of accrual document, F.81. Company code is equal SSKV. Document number 1 to all 9s. I don't know how many number of accrual documents are there. So I have given 1 to all these. Fiscal year 2022. Fiscal year 2022. Document type SA. Document type SA. Select test run. Select detail list. See, here we have given one document number 1 to all names, right? So between these two numbers, the system will identify all the accrual documents. In every accrual document, you have given the posting date, right? Alternate posting date you have given, right? So on that date, the system will post the reverse documents. Select test run, click on execute. See, documents which can be reversed, right? See, document number 29. Posting date 30th/9/2022, document date 30th/9/2022, reversal date 1/10/2022. So like that, in every accrual document, we give the reversal date. No, on that day, the system will post the reverse document. Observe, go back, deselect test run, click on execute. See, document 29 was reversed to the document number 30, right? Now, go to the transaction with FBL3N to display the document status in the outstanding expense account after reversal of accrual document, FBL3N. GL account is 1,500,000. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Open key date 1/10/2022. If you enter the date 30th/9/2022, on that day it is open item only, but it was reversed on 1/10/2022, right? So let us see the status on 1st October 2022. Open key date 1/10/2022. Layout is 1 SAP. Click on execute. See, system is saying that no item selected. What are the no items? Here we have selected open items, right? Means system is saying that there is no open items. Then select cleared items. Select cleared items. Click on execute. Observe the document status. See, cleared items are represented in the green color. See, document type SA. See, sorry, document number 29, right, was cleared with the clearing document number 30. Document number 29 was cleared with the document number 30. Now, in the document number 29, right, one liability was created. In the document number 29, a liability was created. That is outstanding expense was created, right? Remember, in the document number 29, a liability was created. Now, this liability was created with document number 30. Now, the user wants to know, here, a liability may be cleared either by payment of the liability or by reversal of the liability. See, a liability can be cleared either by reversal of the liability or by payment of the liability. Now, in this case, for the document number 29, clearing document is 30. Now, the user wants to know, after some time, he's looking at the document. He wants to know whether this liability was cleared either by payment of the liability or reversal of the liability. Just look at the screen for 2 minutes. Just let me know whether we can guess it or not.
We can identify with the type of the document, AB.
Exactly. Exactly. See, clearing document is 30 and the clearing document 30 document type AB. AB means what? AB means what? What is the document?
Reversal document.
Reversal document.
Reversal, exactly. Super. That is the purpose of the document types. The user can understand the nature of the business transactions. Suppose if the liability was cleared by payment of the liability, the document would be KZ, right? What is that? We will discuss in accounts payable. Write down one more point. When the overpayments are cleared, sorry, like this you write down. When the accrual documents are cleared, when the accrual documents are reversed, you can say. When the accrual documents are reversed, the following three tables are updated. The following three tables are updated. Number one, BKPF. BKPF. Accounting document header table. BKPF. Accounting document header. Number two, BSEG. Number two, BSEG. Accounting document line items table. Accounting document line items table. Number three, BSEAS. Secondary index. Secondary index for GL accounts cleared items. See, OP items BSEIS, cleared items BSAS. Now we have the group currency. This group currency we will see after accounts receivable module, right? For the time being, I am keeping this group currency pending. After accounts receivable, we will come back and we will see the group currency, right? Now we have to start accounts payable, right? But before starting accounts payable, right? See. We have defined the account groups, right? In the basic settings, right? At that time, I told you two functions. The following are the functions of the GL account groups, right? Number one, to control the number to be allotted to the general ledger master record created under the respective group. That means here, every time when you are creating the GL account master record, what we are doing, we are going to OBD4 and we are identifying the account group under which the GL account is to be created, right? So from that number range of that account group, we are selecting one number and we are giving to master record. That is the first function, right? Next, number two, to control the display of fields to be maintained in the general ledger master records created under the respective group. That is whether every field is required or optional or displayed or suppressed. Means what? This is very, very important function. Means what, right? See, let us go to FS00. Okay. Cash account, 2,100,000. Here, in the chart of account segment, we maintain almost all the data, right? But in the company code segment, you maintain only account currency, only balances in local currency. Then we maintain line item display, sort key, and field status group. Other fields we did not maintain. Why? Why we did not maintain other fields? Because other fields are not at all required. These other fields are not required not only for cash accounts. These fields are not required for all the GL accounts which are created under this account group. See, all the other fields are not required to be maintained in all the GL accounts which are created under this account group, current assets, loans, and advances. Now, in that case, when I don't want to maintain all these fields, I don't want to see these fields in the master record itself. For that purpose, we can suppress them at the account group level, right? Go back to notes, please. Go back to notes, please. Put heading field status. Put heading field status. There are two types of field status. There are two types of field status in SAP. Number one, field status for master record. Sorry, field status for document entry. Field status for document entry. It is controlled by so document entry means posting of transactions, right? So it is controlled by field status variant through field status groups. Through field status groups. See here, if you remember, we have defined one field status group. In that field, we have defined one field status variant. In that field status variant, we have one field status group G001, right? In the field status group G001, we have selected business area and text as required entry. And this was assigned in every GL account master account. As a result, at the time of debiting or creating the GL accounts, right? These two fields are becoming mandatory fields. That's the meaning of that sentence. Other fields are suppressed. That's how the fields to be maintained at the time of posting the documents is controlled by field status variant through field status groups. Next, number two. Field status for master records. Field status for master records. It is controlled by account groups. It is controlled by account groups. That is, the field status for GL master records, the field status for GL master records are controlled by GL account groups, comma, the field status for vendor master records is controlled by vendor account groups, comma, the field status for customer master records is controlled by customer account groups, comma, the field status for asset master records is controlled by asset classes, through screen layout rules. Through screen layout rules. So here, how the field status for vendor master records, customer master records, asset master records is controlled, we will discuss later on in the respective modules. Here, how the field status for GL master records is controlled by GL account groups, right? Let us see that. Next heading. Field status for GL master records. Field status for GL master records. It is controlled by GL account groups. Field status for GL master records. It is controlled by GL account groups. Business example. In all the GL account master records, created under the account group, current assets, loans and advances. Under the account group, current assets, loans and advances. The following fields are not required to be maintained. In that case, we can, are not required to be maintained. Number one, exchange rate difference key. Number one, exchange rate difference key. Tax category. Reconciliation account for account type. Then inflation key. So just an example I'm telling you. So in all the GL account master records created under the account group current assets, loans, advances, I don't want to maintain these 4 fields. Okay. Next paragraph. In that case, we can suppress them. At the account group level. Configuration. Go to the transaction code. Go to the transaction code, OBD4. Click on position. Chart of accounts, SSKV. Click on enter. Select the account group, current assets, loans and advances. Select the account group, current assets, loans and advances. Click on field status tab. Click on field status tab. Double click on account control. Double click on account control. Look at the screen. Here, all these fields, right, are selected as optional. That's why at the time of creating the GL account master records, all these fields are displayed there. Now, I don't require some fields, right? Select, write down. Select suppressed status. Select suppressed status. Select suppressed status. For the above fields. See, I don't require tax category, right? Select suppress. I don't require reconciliation account. Select suppress. I don't require exchange difference. Select suppress. Then inflation is select suppress. Right on. Click on save. Click on save. Now, if you create another GL account under the current assets loans advances, bank account I'm creating. Cash at the bank account, right? See, current assets, balanced account, short text, bank account, GL account, long text also bank account. Go to control data tab. See, those fields are not there. Right? Now, again, go to OBD4. Click on position, chart of accounts SSKV. You select them again, option B. Please don't change the system default settings. Okay, you may get confused later. Again, if you create the bank account, see, now these fields are there. This is very, very important function of the account groups in the real-time projects. So tomorrow we start accounts payable. Any questions from anybody?
Sir, this is Joshna, sir.
Yeah, Jyotsna.
Sir, when I am creating, yesterday also in WhatsApp, I have mentioned exchange enter values. That means interest, enter interest value.
You are not able to enter the decimal value, right?
Yeah, sir.
That will be coming from user master records, right? But
Yes.
I don't have the authorization to change the user master records here. I cannot show you. Okay. For the time being, you enter the whole amounts.
In the real time, it will accept, sir.
Yeah. It has to accept.
Okay, sir. Sir, in the column, in that only, it while creating, it is asking for the premium. We can also give the premium, sir. Yeah.
Premium means, right? Sometimes what happens, no, rate is fixed, right? So yes, based upon the demands and supply, sometimes some extra percentage may be charged, right? That is called premium, right? Extra amount, sir? Yeah. That is called labor rate. London basic operation rate, something is there, right? Labor rate or something is there. I will let you know tomorrow what is the purpose of the premium. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah. London, I forgot the name, sorry. Yeah, I will let you know tomorrow. Anything else from anybody? Okay, then see you tomorrow, same time. Good night and good day.